Do you want to learn how to sing, and for a fraction of what it would normally cost, with one of the highest rated teachers at one of the highest rated music schools in Orange County, and then singing on one of the best stages in Orange County, Campus Jacks? Well, we've got just that for you. We're gonna hit you with 4 organized, fun-filled weeks of massive education, teaching you vocal techniques, breathing techniques, control, and harmonies, which is the bedrock of every Christmas carol you've ever heard, every Christmas classic for that matter. We're gonna have a wonderful time. We're gonna spread joy and cheer in front of your friends, family, and newfound fans on December 15th. So make sure that you can commit to that date, December 15th in the afternoon at 1 o'clock for our Christmas concert to a private closed audience. And make sure that you commit to at least 3 of the 4 classes on these next coming Saturdays. If you can, sign up now before the spots go, because they are already going fast and I do not want you to miss out. I'll see you in class. Happy holidays.